If 4 bottle vodka is काम आपका रोज का, because एक बार जो जाए, this video is for you. We all know कि दारू से लिवर खराब होता है और भयंकर हैंगओवर भी होता है. But did you know of its lesser known consequences that happen every single time that you have one too many Jaeger bombs? Raise your hands if you felt this way after a major rager. Your hair is falling or feels drier than before, your skin looks dull, or it's incredibly hard to get hard. Did you ever link these directly to your glass of alcohol? I'm going to tell you what happens, why it happens, and how not to make it happen. Firstly, alcohol causes your hair to fall. How? The body in its natural state is slightly alkaline at a pH of 7.4. But when you decide कि हमका तो पीनी है and act on it, your body becomes heavily acidic. So, your balance is off. Not the balance that stops you from walking in a straight line after one too many peg, your pH balance. Then what? Your body desperately tries to get back in an alkaline state. As desperately as you try to drunk call your ex. सबने किया यार. Now, how does your body manage this? By using a structural protein called keratin that protects your hair. Now, alcohol depletes your keratin reserve, leaving nothing for your hair. So naturally, your hair becomes brittle or falls away. Pro tip, use that alcohol on your hair. Take 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of vodka. Rinse your hair with it. Vodka is a great disinfectant. It clears lice, dandruff and bacteria, making your hair smooth and shiny. Alcohol makes your twacha dull and dry. How? Your body metabolizes alcohol in the liver, which releases a byproduct called acetaldehyde. And this byproduct is bad news. This gives you a rukhi-sukhi twacha. So be ready for premature aging of your skin and wrinkles like your dadaji. Now meanwhile, alcohol also releases a substance called histamine. What does it do? It widens your blood vessels. Blood flows closer to your skin, making it red like gulal. We are not finished. Alcohol also widens skin pores, giving you blackheads and whiteheads. Drink 1 glass of water after every glass of alcohol. Sounds boring, but trust me, it's worth it. And now what you've been waiting for. Let's go down to the dirty details of how alcohol can ruin things in the bedroom for you. Either this has happened to you or you're asking for a friend. I'll tell you why sometimes you can't rise to the occasion. Testosterone is the primary male sex hormone and it reduces with age. Now, alcohol causes a faster drop in your testosterone levels. So your body is trying to metabolize the alcohol and you lose the testosterone in the process. Eventually, this has many long-term effects. Firstly, it kills your jawani and your willingness to have sex. Low testosterone levels also cause erectile dysfunction, infertility, and loss of muscle mass. And something tells us no man wants that. Many scientific studies link alcohol abuse to depression. They often occur together, but one can make the other worse. Another common side effect of depression, erectile dysfunction, or the inability to get or maintain an erection hard enough for intercourse. Some general advice, fix these problems before they become irreversible. Some better advice, drink wisely. वो कैसे? If you're trying to avoid nasty hangovers, stick to clear liquors like vodka over dark liquors like whiskey. Secondly, make sure you get enough rest before and after you hit the bottle. Don't drink after strenuous physical activity or if you didn't get a good night's sleep. When in doubt, go for wine. It might not be the signature drink for men, but it takes more time to drink than mixed alcohol drinks. And what's more, it's only 120 calories a glass and more than twice the antioxidants. Hey Ganpat, chal da, pani la.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Man Matters to get expert advice on your health and wellness.